Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy a domain name on Porkbun. First, head over to Porkbun website. On the home page, you'll see a search bar right away. To buy a domain, just type in the name you want, then click the search icon to check if it's available. Porkbun will then show you a list of available domains based on what you search. Take a look through the list and pick the one you like best. Once you've found the perfect domain, click the plus sign beside it to add it to your cart. After that, you can go ahead and proceed to check out. Inside your cart, scroll down and click on the Continue button. Next, you'll need to either log into your Porkbun account or create a new one to continue. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the billing information section. Here, choose your payment method. You can use a card, PayPal, or other available options. After filling out your details, scroll down and complete the purchase. And that's it. You've successfully bought your domain name on Porkbun. Now, you're ready to connect it to your website and start building your online presence. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.